Morning guys, it's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today on another episode of grilling or smoking for the working man or woman. Today we're going to show you how to smoke jerky. So we just got to the office, another beautiful day at Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living here. Going to get to work, hopefully sell a bunch of stuff today, so I'm going to be busy all day. Don't have time to be babysitting what we're doing, but this will be ready by lunchtime, maybe a little bit after. Today what we're cooking on is our Memphis grill. Now you could do this on a Traeger. We like cooking on pellet smokers just because of ease of use, which is the whole concept of this idea. But today we're going to do it on the Memphis because it's all stainless steel, and sometimes it can be known to sort of get a little bit too hot. But we're going to show you how this thing's going to hold temp at 180 degrees for the majority of the day and cook jerky perfectly. So jerky's pretty easy. What we did is we marinated it overnight. We have a thin cut steak cut. You can really get any sort of super thinly sliced steak cut. Put it in a bag. We marinated it overnight with our Traeger Sweet Heat barbecue sauce, which is in stock by the way. Our Traeger rub mixed in with our blackened Saskatchewan rub, which is more of like a peppery type seasoning. You put in a little extra salt in here, can't hurt, right? Throw in a little extra salt. You want to put in some pepper, some jalapenos, something to give it a little more heat. Can't hurt either. You know, just kind of do what you like and try out different things. You know, it's not very expensive to do something like this, and just try different flavors. So we're going to show you how easy it is to cook this. So we got this set at 180, which is not very hot, so it's not super warm in here. And then you essentially just have your thin slices. So essentially what we want to do is just take these guys and sort of flatten them out as best you can. You can see the Memphis does produce a good amount of smoke. That was something I was kind of nervous about when we got our Memphis grill set up, as I was worried it wouldn't do low and slow that well. But you can see it's running like a champ. So we're just going to set these on there, and now we're going to get to work and check on them maybe every hour or so. But we're pretty much done. When they're ready to pull off, we'll give them a try. Okay, so it's the end of the day here. You know, we really haven't done anything to this, so we'll open it up and show you. You don't even have to flip it, because what's so cool about pellet smokers is they sort of create a convection oven. So, you know, when it's cooking at such a low temperature, you don't have to worry about it overcooking on one side. And I must say, I really like this Memphis grill, how it performs on a low setting. But you can see essentially what we have here. See, it's not really, you know, it's dried out like nice jerky. Now, if you like it with a little more moisture in it, you don't have to cook it this long. You can pull it off a little earlier, but this is almost like a true jerky. So, you know, for 10 bucks at the grocery store, you just set it on your smoker all day when you go to work, put it on 180 degrees, and you are pretty much set to go. But as always, we do got to try a little piece in our video. So you can see here, there's one of our pieces here. So we'll just sort of see, it pulls off just like jerky. Let's try it. That's really good. So there's a little tip on how to cook some jerky. And you see it's a simple video because there's not much to it. You really just set it on the grill and leave it alone. So stay tuned for more videos on how to smoke or cook products. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel today, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.